Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at what exactly plaque is, and also fundamentally what tartar is, and how you can deal with them both so that they don't spoil your teeth and gums and you keep a happy smile for life. Welcome to what is plaque and tartar and how to prevent it. Well, firstly, and without revolting you all too much, there are about 3 trillion bacteria in all of our mouths. They live in the saliva, and what they can do as they drift up to the side of the tooth here is that they can attach, and as soon as they attach they will multiply at a much greater rate, and they produce a creamy material starting at the join of the gum just here, which we call plaque. And plaque basically is the enemy of the tooth. It will cause a inflammation and reddening of the gum, which we call gingivitis, and that can lead ultimately to the gum shrinking away and losing teeth. And if you give the plaque germs some energy, some food in terms of you eating a sugary substance, then it will turn that into acid, and that acid can erode and demineralize and basically rot the tooth, and that produces tooth decay. So plaque germs cause gum disease, and plaque germs cause cavities. So hey, it'd be a great idea to get rid of them, wouldn't it? So we use our toothbrushes, and going down against the gum we can agitate the plaque away. Now unfortunately, being humans, we err and we don't get all of the plaque off, particularly between the teeth, and that plaque remains, and then calcium, the chalk in our saliva, goes into that plaque and hardens it into a thing we call tartar. Now unfortunately you can't get the tartar off with your toothbrush. You can't brush it off. Even if you were to brush it against the tartar, it'll still stay on. The plaque comes off because that's soft, but the tartar won't come off. So that's the point when you need to come and see the hygienist, and the hygienist will, with a special instrument, scrape very gently that tartar material away from your teeth, revealing the healthy surface of the tooth, which you can then keep clean with your toothbrush and floss and interdental cleaning aids, which you can hear about and see in some of our other videos. Alright, so fundamentally plaque is the enemy of the teeth, and plaque is the thing that occurs first before it's hardened into tartar. So if you've got some tartar on your teeth, then you need to visit the dentist and the hygienist, and if you've got some plaque on your teeth, then you need to get cracking with your toothbrush to remove it. It's as simple as that. Thank you. If you're based in London or the southeast of England, then maybe you'd be interested in a complimentary visit and consultation with myself or one of my team. If you are, please click the link and we'll be very happy to welcome you to the practice.